Schnitzel, not again!
Burn the castle! Burn the castle!
Hello, villagers. I'm a little busy right now.
Frankenstein! One of your fiendish experiments has destroyed a village house.
I'll build you a new house with wings. Yes. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming. Yes. Do you think you could come back tomorrow?
Villagers! Attack!
Wait! You don't want to attack the castle tonight! You'll all be tired and cranky tomorrow!
Well, I do need my regular 14 hours of sleep. Villagers, go to bed!
Go to bed! Go to
I'll help you. It's a dandelion.
Oh, Nine, you klutzy cat. Look what you did. Get out.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dr. Frankenstein.
Someone's in trouble!
Somebody doesn't belong here.
Someone's not the doctor's little favourite anymore.
Oh, hi, Lottie. What was all that kerfuffle bub outside?
A house fell over in the village, and they thought Dr. Frankenstein had fired an invisible cannonball.
That's impossible. He lost all the invisible cannonballs. Can I sleep over tonight? Mr. Frankenstein's all upseterated with me.
I'm sure Dr. Frankenstein will be... Wait!
Let some monstrous monster come down from that castle. We'll give it a warm welcome.
Wow! A warm welcome. I'd better get back to the castle. I'm sure they're missing me. The castle's gone!
But it can't be. It's not like it could just grow wings and fly away.
They've left me behind.
Oh, Nine, don't cry.
Cry? I wasn't crying. I was just cleaning my paws. Yes, I've got to look good on my first day as a citizen of Oddsburg.
Right! Everyone ready to storm the castle again?
Yay!
So, let's get going! Gone! The castle's gone! It's gone!
Yay!
But where did it go? I'll tell you where. Away! Now, I'm off for a nap. I mean, to do some mayoring. Mob dismissed. The Pearl Mansion! To the castle! No, wait, it's gone. Then why did my house fall down?
Look, it fell into the tunnel we dug when we were looking for that giant mole.
So that's what happened to my house.
You mean it wasn't the castle?
Nine, we've got to find out where the castle went, so stay... Oh!
I'll show Lottie Oddsburg is ready to embrace my loveliness. What this place really needs is a village entertainer. Ow!
Sorry, you had chipmunks on you.
Chipmunks? Mayor! All my sheep have been eaten by a monster from the castle. It was 19 foot tall and it had giant waffles for eyes. Castle's gone.
Oh, well, I suppose I left the gate open then.
Nine, what are you doing?
I'm the village shopkeeper. Here, I'll buy a lump of rockish rock.
Nine.
I miss the castle, Lottie. The drippy smells, the funny walls. And I miss Mr. Frankenstein. I want to go home.
Well, let's find out where home went, shall we? We should look for any clues of where it might have gone. Oh, look, a herring. Maybe it was stolen by giant mermaids.
Actually, I hid that there last month.
Ew.
Oh, look, a flying fish. Well, a hovering, dripping fish.
Oh! 9?
Huh?
Do you know what this means? The castle's not gone. It's just invisible.
Car. The doctor never invisibubbled a whole castle before.
But where's the front door?
It's over where I hid my fish of the month. We need to find the doctor. Now, I'm certain that the lab's this way. Or the kitchen.
You've got to try and remember which way it was.
I'll follow my nose.
I didn't know you had a pool.
Well, it's more of a bottomless swamp with a giant slime monster.
This is ridiculous. We've seen 10 bathrooms, 12 studies, and a room that went kafloosh. If we split up, we're twice as likely to find the lab.
Dokey okey, splittery up it is. I must be in the basement. That's why I'm so high up.
9! What a pleasure to see you!
Dr. Frankenstein, don't tell me you invisibubbled yourself too.
I thought by disappearing the castle I'd get peace and quiet to work on my creations, but now I can't actually find anything.
Why don't you de-invisibilize everything?
Oh, I can't find the invisibilizer. It's invisible. It's ironic, really.
Is this it?
That's my shrink ray.
Oops.
Stop right there.
Igora, I like your new look.
Very funny, but I believe you're looking for this?
What?
I'm holding up the invisibilizer, you moldy mog.
Oh, can I borrow it?
No, it's mine now.
Get off me!
Heidi, Fifi, restrain him. Curses, I dropped the invisibilizer. Nobody move!
Here it is. Catch.
Is it?
Wow, you found an invisible cannonball.
Yup, but where's the invisibilizer?
So, everything bad that happens here is our fault. Maybe we should work harder, be more responsible for our own actions. For too long, we have blamed our problems on the castle. It's back! So it was the castle after all! Attack!
Everything's uninvisible again. It's good to be back home.
I'm sure they'll accept you in the village one day, 9.
It lives!
Greetings, fans of the daft and even dafter. Welcome to another chapter from the Nutsoid Big Boys Big Book of Big Boys Stuff. Phew.
According to the Big Boys Big Book of Big Boys Stuff, if you extract all the coolness and boyosity from a horse, you get a pony. Ponies typically come in 3 colours: pink, wimpy blue, and pixie puke green. Pipsqueak? Oh, thanks, Trevor. When girls get near ponies, their fluffy brains make them act like ponies too. Just watch this demonstration.
I'm a pony! Nay!
Ooh, look! Ponies! Giddy up! Away!
That wasn't supposed to happen.
There you go. So much for the Big Boys Big Book of Bonkers.